Welcome to this video exploring an experiment comparing Claude Code and Codex in an app build-off. We'll look at the results of a $3,800 experiment to see how these tools perform when building the same application. The goal of this experiment was to build a production-ready Typeform alternative using specialized agents across 3 phases: research, build, and verify. No prototypes were allowed. The standard was to iterate until the build was genuinely complete. In terms of first impressions, the landing page built by Codex felt more visually solid, while the one from Claude Code appeared unfinished and lacked design thought. However, we'll see if those initial aesthetics match the functional reality. The UX vibe check for Codex revealed significant issues. The UI felt overwhelming with too many variables, the workflow was confusing, and edge cases were left untested, leading to bugs and misaligned elements. Conversely, the Claude Code version offered an intuitive flow and felt much more like a genuine Typeform clone. While it still had some minor technical snags, the user experience was significantly more polished. Looking at the metrics for the Claude-driven agent, it completed the task in just 5.5 hours at a cost of $832. It utilized an orchestrator with 35 sub-agents to handle the workload efficiently. In contrast, the Codex agent required 61 hours, or about 2.5 days, and cost approximately $3,000. It relied on a much larger engine of 126 sub-agents to reach its conclusion. The final receipt shows a split victory. Claude Code excelled in product judgment and efficiency, being both faster and cheaper. Codex, however, provided a more operationally mature architecture and superior testing coverage. This reveals a prompting paradox. Claude Fable performs best with high-level goals and creative freedom, while Codex requires rigid, step-by-step instructions to function correctly without resulting in feature bloat. Ultimately, the takeaway is to avoid blindly copying workflows. Use Claude for creative planning and Codex for heavy infrastructure and rigorous testing. Pick the right AI athlete for your specific project.